Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. It's the day before Christmas. I don't have to work, and so I'm spending this 60-ish 1 degrees weather day. I've been wanting to make more like educational type of videos, not necessarily how-tos, but just like me learning stuff. So I think for every species that I catch, and I came to a creek that has many species, I think for every species that I catch, I'm gonna learn a few facts about it that I didn't know before, and then I'm gonna edit them into this video. I got 2 lighter poles with me, got Gopal minnows, got night crawlers, inline spinners, whatever. I'll throw whatever I feel like. Water's actually pretty clear, thankfully, because we had some rain past week. So anyways, let's catch some fish. All right, we're gonna start off simply, you know me. Worms and night crawlers, love them. Usually I use night crawlers, but some other fishermen last week were friendly enough to give me a whole box of these little wigglers, so we're gonna try them out. First fish is a leaf. I will not be doing facts about leaves. Ooh, that was a bite. Ooh, fish on, yes. Uh oh. Ooh, good sized creek chub, y'all. Ooh. A decent sized creek chub, that is nice. All right, it looks like the first species we will be learning about today is the creek chub. And for this creek, that's a pretty good size one. Kind of got a fat belly, I was pooping all over me. Fun fact, fish poop too. But yeah, there we go, little guy. I guess I'll put some facts on the screen about the species. But one more look and we'll let him go.
The average fall fish generally measures around 5 inches in length. Individuals occasionally grow to 15 inches. The average lifespan of an adult fall fish is around 3 to 8 years. Fall fish usually mate between March and June. The incubation period is between 139 to 144 hours to develop and hatch.
Yep, he's off. It's too bad I wasn't fishing for catfish bait today. That'd be a great specimen to try to catch a bigger blue or bigger flathead. Oh, fish on. And of course, bluegill. Classic. It's not a Tyler Goes Fishing video without a bluegill, huh? All right, next fish is the classic bluegill. I'm sure if any of you have ever been fishing in your life, you probably ended up catching one of these first, right? All right, let's put some facts about bluegills on the screen, learn a little bit about this species, and we'll let them go.
Bluegill are prolific breeders and normally spawn in late spring and early summer, when water temperatures rise within the range of 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The fish are omnivores and will eat anything they can fit in their mouths. Occasionally, a bluegill may spawn with another member of its genus, though this is rare. This tends to happen in bodies of water that are fairly isolated and have a decent population of bluegill in close proximity to other, smaller populations of species such as green sunfish.
Bye-bye, fella. All right, so far this little red wiggler has lasted 2 fish, and I still got a decent amount of it. Usually red wigglers end up sucking for me just because they're so weak and they come off the hook so easily. But it's working today. And I got them for free, so yeah. If I could get 5 different species for this video, that would be amazing. I'll settle for like 3 though. Definitely plenty of, is that a fish? No, I'm hung up on like a leaf. Yeah. There's definitely a ton of species in here. There's crappie and golden shiners and bass, green sunfish and warmouths. Oh, there we go. It is just an absolutely teeny weeny bluegill. We already caught one of your brothers, sir, so we're just gonna let you go. Bye-bye. Fish on. Aha, another creek chub. At least it's not another bluegill. I've caught like 5 of them in a row, so it's nice to catch something else. These guys are pretty aggressive. There we go. There you go, bye-bye, little fella. Another nice creek chub. Too bad I'm not catfishing today or tomorrow. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. Bye-bye. Ooh, fish. Ooh. Well, it's the biggest bluegill of the day, so it put up a little bit more of a fight than those teeny guys, but not a new species. Sorry, fella. Uh-oh. Ooh, don't fall in the water, Tyler. Oh, this looks like a new species, redbreast. Finally, it's been a little while. Been catching bluegills, mostly. Third species, finally. All right, third species is a redbreast sunfish. These guys are normally a lot prettier than this. This guy's kind of dull, but some of them have really bright orange bellies and then really noticeable bright orange dots on their bodies. But this guy is a little muted, but that's okay. Let's learn some facts about these guys, and I will let this guy go.
Redbreasts have a lifespan of 7 years. However, this is more common for males compared to females. The spawning season of redbreast sunfish starts in May and lasts until August. Water temperatures play an important role in their spawning. Ideal water temperatures fall somewhere between 68 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The redbreast sunfish diet is more varied than any other sunfish species. It prefers bottom-dwelling food organisms like snails, insect larvae, clams, small fish, and crayfish.
Well, it's been several hours. I caught 3 species, so you and I learned a little bit about 3 species. A lot more species to catch here, so maybe I'll do it again sometime. Hopefully it'll be warm enough one of these weekends. Once again, Merry Christmas Eve. I hope you guys have a happy holiday. And I guess thank you for watching, and peace out.